Okay, here will be like an example of one room. And you can see from the floor, from the wall to the other wall here. As you can look in front of you strictly, where you see those sticks are lining up. You see those sticks that are lining up is one of the partition for the goat house. Then from here, you can see the camera is going. Then from this plank, where you see my hand is, to go strictly to the door. Inside here will be like one room. So the size of this goat room is divided into 4 rooms. So all the room size will be like this, as you're looking at it. So in here you can keep at least 4 to 5 goats in here in a room. You can keep a 4, 5, 6 to 7 goats in a room. Yeah, so it's about 7.5 by 14 feet. 7.5 by 14 feet. It is the exact measurement that we use. Like the other time, someone made a comment on our post that the first a plane we lay on the floor. That was the space that between no plan for the menu of the goat to get on the ground. They were very small. So comes around, we were able to reduce the size of the space that left between the plane. So like each time we only have this size now that we are not put the floor down. But if you check here, you see we have enough of 12 by 1, which is the floor plan. And here is the old side that we fixed. So the entire area we only left with one of the room that we are not here put a floor yet. So like today I was with email God Power in the bush, yeah, to see how best thing could go on the right way. Yeah, so that's so far about the goat house. The John for that, yeah, the power saw change just jump from on it, so that what caused the sub to stop at this hour. But we are still in search of the drum. You can see the chain is in God Power hand because the drum cut. Today we are in 19 pieces. Yes, we're chasing 19 pieces now. So we are mixing the plan for today. We are getting some 2 by 4 and the 1 by 12 for the floor of the pig house and also the door. This is so gradually Kwaba is working. Yes. The mother quality is helping him to look for the drum. Like the drum will be in the sawdust here. So they are checking. And it's some minutes after 3 now in Liberia.
Yo.
Okay, so it can be fun. So I don't know whether he has one here too bad that he will use. So we will come back on. We'll do the recording for the work today. So far so good. The color of this plant very beautiful. Very beautiful.
This is a goat. You can see that.
This is the drinking water in the tub here.